Yeah, in today's class, I am going to discuss about the condition of resonance. In the previous class, we learned about the expression for impedance in an LCR circuit. Now we learned that LCR circuit contains inductor, capacitor and resistor in series. This LCR circuit can be used as a tuning circuit in the selection of station in radio as well as in TV. Okay, fine. Now, here, what is the phenomenon of resonance? Yeah. Resonance means matching of two frequencies. Okay, in radio and TV, if the frequency of the tuning circuit matches with the frequency of one of the electromagnetic wave which is available outside the radio or outside the TV, then resonance takes place. If the frequency of the tuning circuit matches with the frequency of the radio wave, resonance takes place. Then the station gets selected. Okay. So what is that resonance? As I have told you that it is merely the matching of two frequencies. In tuning circuit, which is also known as tank circuit or LC circuit, where the resistance is low. Fine. If XL is equal to XC, then the resonance takes place. XL is equal to XC is the condition of resonance. What is XL? Inductive reactance. What is XC? Capacitive reactance. XL is equal to XC means inductive reactance is equal to capacitive reactance. Okay, if inductive reactance is equal to capacitive reactance, then what happens? The LCR circuit behaves like a resistive circuit. It behaves like a resistive circuit as if it contains resistor alone. The opposition to the AC voltage by the inductor will be equal to the opposition offered by the capacitor to the AC voltage. Okay, if that happens, then the LCR circuit, it behaves like a resistive circuit. Such a circuit is known as resonating circuit. So at resonance, XL is equal to XC and the impedance will be equal to R. So let us see that mathematical equations. What is that? XL is equal to XC. What is that XL? That is omega L is equal to omega 1 by omega C. So this omega into omega will be omega square, which is equal to 1 upon LC. Such an angular frequency, we call it is resonating angular frequency, which is denoted by the symbol R or sometimes 0, omega naught. So omega R is equal to 1 upon square root of LC. This is resonating angular frequency. If the value of L in the LCR circuit is some 50 Henry and if the value of C is some 50 microfarad, we can calculate the resonating frequency of the LCR circuit. Then how do we calculate the resonating linear frequency? For that, we need to substitute the value of omega is equal to 2 pi R or 2 pi F angular frequency and the linear frequency relation. Okay, if it is a resonating angular frequency, this will be a resonating linear frequency. So if you substitute the value of that omega r here, we get 2 by Fr is equal to 1 upon square root of LC. Then the resonating angular frequency is equal to 4 by under root LC. This is the resonating frequency of LC circuit or the tuning circuit. If this frequency matches with the frequency of the radio wave, then resonance takes place and the station gets selected. Okay. Now, when the tuning circuit achieved the resonance condition, that time the current through the LCR circuit is maximum. How do we write that maximum current? As all of us know that, the maximum current, that is V0 by Z. V0 by Z. We can also write RMS current at resonance. IRMS will be equal to VRMS by Z. But at resonance, Z is equal to R. How? At resonance, Z is equal to R. If you put Z equal to R, then the maximum current will be equal to the maximum voltage divided by Z. Okay, how do we say that at resonance Z is equal to R? We can prove that. As we know that Z is equal to under root square root of R square plus XL minus XC the whole square. But XL is equal to XC. XL is equal to XC. If you put that value, what you get? You get Z is equal to square root of R square, because XL is equal to XC. Then what you get at the end? You get Z is equal to R. Square and square root, they get cancelled. That's how at resonance it is the impedance of the LCR circuit will be equal to the resistance of the circuit. Fine. Then what about the power factor and the phase difference between three voltages? Phase difference between three voltages. As we know that, we have proved that by using this phasor diagram, this is V, the net voltage between VC, VR and VL. There are three voltages because LCR circuit contains three components, that is resistor, inductor and capacitor. There are three components here. This is the net voltage. Here it is VR, here it is VL, here it is VC. When voltage across the inductor is equal to voltage across the capacitor, then this LCR circuit behaves like a resistive circuit. So, according to this Pythagoras theorem, V and then this is VL minus VC or VC minus VL. This is VR. So according to Pythagoras theorem, V squared equal to VR squared plus VL minus VC squared. From this we can prove that Z is equal to R squared plus XL minus XC whole square. So how do you write the phase difference between three voltages in LCR circuit? That is tan phi is equal to tan phi is equal to VL minus VC divided by V. That is opposite side divided by adjacent side, VL minus VC by VR. If voltage across the inductor is equal to voltage across the capacitor, if VL is equal to VC, if VL is equal to VC, then this will be 0. 0 by anything will be 0. Tan phi will be 0. Then phi will be equal to 0. When VL is equal to VC, then phi is equal to 0. What does it mean? It means that the phase difference between the voltage across the inductor, the voltage across the capacitor, and the voltage across the resistor is 0. It means that the current and voltage are in the same phase, just like a resistive circuit. So this LCR circuit, it behaves like a resistive circuit when VL is equal to VC. Right. Then we can also write here the power factor cos phi. Cos phi is known as power factor. Cos phi is equal to, that is VR divided by V. VR divided by V. This will be VL minus VC when inductor is dominating, that is inductive dominating circuit. Then it will be VL minus VC. VL will be greater than VC when it is inductive dominating circuit. The inductor is opposing more than the capacitor. Inductive dominating circuit. If it is a capacitive dominating circuit, if capacitor is dominating, then it will be VC minus VL divided by VR. Capacitive dominating circuit. If it is a resistive dominating circuit, or if VL is equal to VC, then it will be just like a resistive circuit, resistor dominating circuit, or simply a resistive circuit. Fine. Such a circuit, when the LCR circuit behaves like a resistive circuit, that circuit is used as the tuning circuit in the radio or in TV for selecting the stations. Okay, let us continue about this resonance. Okay, if that triangle, the right angle triangle, instead of here VL minus VC, if I write XL minus XC, and this one is resistor and this one is impedance. What is impedance? Opposition offered by the inductor, capacitor and resistor to the flow of AC current. All three components are opposing AC current. So in such situation, we get this equation. Okay, here, how do we write the phase difference between three voltages? Then tan phi is equal to XL minus XC divided by R. If it is inductive dominating circuit, XL is greater than XC. If it is a capacitive dominating circuit, XC minus XL. If it is resistive circuit, then the whole thing will be 0 here. Then how do we find the power factor cos phi? Cos phi is equal to, that is R by Z adjacent by hypotenuse, R by Z. But at resonance, Z is equal to R. The special condition. At resonance, what happens? This phase difference will be 0. At resonance, XL is equal to XC. When XL is equal to XC, 0. 0 by anything is 0. Tan phi is 0. Phi is 0. And then this cos phi is 1. Because R is equal to Z at resonance. What is that resonance? XL is equal to XC. At that time, Z will be equal to R. So when XL is equal to XC, tan phi is 0, then phi is 0. Cos phi is equal to 1 because Z is equal to R cancels. Then cos phi is 1, power factor is 1. Okay. Then the current at this situation is maximum in resonance. Okay. Now let us look into another important factor that's known as quality factor. What is that quality factor? Let us see about the quality factor. Q is known as quality factor. Quality factor talks about the quality of tuning circuit, the quality of this LCR circuit. Quality factor plays a vital role in sharpness of resonance. How do we prove that quality factor? Q is known as quality factor. Quality of the LCR circuit, quality of tuning circuit, sharpness of resonance. How do we write? Q is equal to, for one complete cycle, for one complete AC cycle, as we know that the energy stored in the inductor is 2 pi into half of Li square. Half of Li square. And in one complete cycle, when one complete AC cycle is applied, then the energy dissipated as heat across the inductor is I square RT. I square RT. This is according to Joules now. For one complete AC cycle, the loss of power according to Joules law is IRM square RT. IRM is equal to I naught by root. So if you substitute that value here, what we get is, that is 2 into IRMS square divided by IRMS square into RT. IRMS, they get cancelled. So quality factor is equal to 2 pi L divided by RT. And we know that omega is equal to 2 pi upon T. 2 pi upon T. So this 2 pi upon T is known as omega. Therefore, quality factor 2 pi upon T is omega. We can write it separately. 2 pi upon T into L upon R. L upon R. This we can call it is the resonating angular frequency, that is omega. So omega R into L upon R. This is about the quality factor. We can also express this quality factor in terms of a resistor and capacitor by using this value, that is omega R square is equal to 1 upon LC. Omega square is equal to 1 upon LC. We can do that here. We can continue that here. Yeah. Quality factor Q is equal to omega R square L upon omega R into R. So 1 omega I have multiplied here. That becomes omega square. 1 omega I have divided here. So omega square R, that is equal to, what I will write, this is L upon this value, that is omega R into, the value of this is 1 upon LC. So if you cancel L, the quality factor will become 1 upon omega R into RC. Okay, if the quality factor plays a vital role here, then how that the resonating circuit, it acts as a tuning circuit. The value of R should be low, then quality would be high. The quality factor should be very large. If the quality factor is large, then the sharpness of resonance will be more. More the sharpness, more the quality factor. That's how the quality factor plays a vital role. Okay, fine.